In this video, we'll cover actuator front handle repair for the SureShade Power Bimini. The tools required to perform this procedure include a ball-peen hammer, a punch tool, and a 5/32 hex wrench. Additionally, an assistant may be necessary to assist with the performance of tasks demonstrated in this video. If the front handle on your Power Bimini top has become damaged, it will need to be replaced. Begin by performing a manual override procedure by unzipping the front pocket that secures the Bimini top material to the forward support rail. With the help of a second person, gently lower the support rails to their full down position. Use the 5/32 hex wrench found in the manual override kit, which is sometimes stored in the front pocket of your mesh Bimini top, or in some models, stored behind the actuator motor's end cap. Then remove the two 1/4 inch hex cap screws on either side of the Bimini frame's forward armature. With the help of a second person, lift the forward armature up and away from the actuator arms, then set it on the rest of the arm assembly on the rear of the pontoon. If necessary, these arms can be secured using zip ties, hook and loop strings, other forms of cordage, or the protective boot included with your Power Bimini top. Use a ball-peen hammer and a punch tool to unseat the pin securing the actuator arm to the actuator assembly. Gently remove the actuator arm from the assembly, taking care not to lose or misplace the two washers that are seated on either side of the pinhole. With the controller of your choice, hold the retract button until the gear rack is in its full down position. Install the washers to the divots on either side of the actuator arm. Then install it in its full down position into the gear rack. Reinstall the retaining pin using your ball-peen hammer. Repeat this step on the opposite side to resync the arms. To complete the armature replacement procedure, reinstall the front rails to the actuator arms using the 1/4 inch hex in-cap screws and an assistant. Reattach the Bimini top to the frame by zipping its rail sleeves over each of the rails. Then secure the clasps on the forward retaining arm.